Hello friends, welcome back in my YouTube channel. So friends, today I'm going to show you how to install Sandbox Services. And before installation of Sandbox Services, first of all I have to discuss about Windows Sandbox first. Now Windows Sandbox provides a lightweight desktop environment to safely run application in isolation. Software installed inside the Windows Sandbox environment remains sandboxed and runs separately from the host machine. A sandbox is a temporary when it's closed, all the software and files and the state are deleted. You get a brand new instance of the sandbox every time you open the application. This feature is included in Windows 10 Pro and Enterprise. There is no need to download a VHD. Now friends, how to enable Windows Sandbox in Windows 10? You have to just press Windows R button and type Control and hit Enter key. Now you will see a programs and features option. Just click, and now friends, you can see turn Windows feature or off. Just click on, and now friends, you have to just check Windows Sandbox option and just click on OK. Now friend, this time your Windows 10 machine is going to restart, and if you want to restart now, then you have to just click on restart now. Now friends, after install Windows Sandbox, now how to use these services? You have to just see the search box and type Sandbox. Now friend, you will see Windows Sandbox. Just click on.